Now let's make a Sri Lankan favorite, coconut sambol, commonly known as pol sambol. Authentic approach is to buy a coconut and scrape it. You can also use shredded coconut. Which do you prefer?
Let me know in the comments.
You need 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 green chili, finely chopped, half an onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 lemon, and some moldy fish pieces is optional. Once you've moved the sambol into a bowl, that's when you add the lemon juice. In our family, we normally enjoy this coconut sambol with some freshly made string hoppers. Click here to watch how to make some fresh string hoppers. My mom assured us that pounding is the right way to get all the flavors together.